Let's go over the application process for our paint ceramic coatings. This is going to be the exact same process for 4 of our products. Our 3-year Prolong Light, 5-year Prolong, 7-year Graphene, and 9-year Borophene. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Prolong Light. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your panel is properly prepped. Washed, clay barred, and whatever level of paint correction is needed, then wipe it down with an IPA wipe down. Grab your bottle, gently shake, crack the top, apply a generous amount of product onto your applicator, and then apply onto the vehicle in a crosshatch pattern. Once you've applied the product, you can go immediately into the leveling process. Grab rag 1. This is going to be used to remove the bulk of the product. Then grab rag 2 and buff it to a smooth shine. You'll be left with a completely streak-free finish. And just like that, your vehicle is now protected with our paint ceramic coatings.